was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out of nothing.
What it do, man? 78Chevyboi coming at you again to remind you about the 4th annual Connecting Never Competing Car Show going down May 31st, Southaven, Mississippi at the Lander Center. I just want to let you know, as we come out to showcase these amazing vehicles, we also want to take a moment to recognize something very important: autism awareness. Autism is a spectrum, and that means no two people with autism are exactly the same. It's often invisible, but its impact is very real, and it can touch the lives of individuals, families, and communities in profound ways. This is why it's so important for us to come together to raise awareness and to foster inclusivity and support for individuals with autism and their families. By recognizing autism at the 4th annual CNC Carshow, we are not just showing support for those who have ASD, but we're also creating an environment where acceptance, respect, and kindness is celebrated. Just like every car that's going to be there has a unique design, so does every individual. Embracing those differences make our community richer, stronger, and more connected. So with that being said, anyone that has a loved one, friend, it doesn't matter, with autism, and you all want to come to the show and enjoy the festivities, please get with me. I have free tickets for you. Contact 78Chevyboi. It's going down May 31st, Southaven, Mississippi. Be there. All right? 78Chevyboi. Man, we out here today. About to wash Cayenne out, man. It's been a minute since I washed it. It's been a minute since it been washed, period. You know, they were back wheel real dirty. So we finna wash it off. Put the car cover over, clean it up, man. I think I'm gonna take Cayenne to St. Louis. I think I'm gonna take her to St. Louis this upcoming weekend, Sunday. Food with Jay up at King Customs, man. Him and the homie Q and Rhino and them up there, man. My homie Drill, Montreal. Trail up there with the short bed now, man. I'm gonna go up there and fool with them. Bird and them. All my St. Louis kids, man. Vilt boy. Go up there and fool with them this weekend, man. So we finna wash Cayenne off. Let the bed down. Let the tailgate down. I'm gonna spray this out good. I don't even know if I'm gonna wash it, because I usually put some Dawn soap back there and scrub it. I might do it. I don't know. See what my motor needs cleaning. Just put them plugs and wires on there too, man. Me and Kelvin came over. We put them plugs and wires on there. They need a little vac out. Not too bad. Cayenne don't never get too bad in the inside. Motor really ain't that dirty. It's a little dusty though. Yeah, it's a little dusty. I don't know, it just depends on how I feel once I'm done. See, we put them plugs on there, plugs and wires. When wires came in.
Hold it now, come here.
Put them junks in. Like now, I still can smell like a faint gas smell, man. Coming from this filter. Yep. I don't know, man. That filter smell. But it's not. Jonas had asked me, did your filter wet? He was like, man, I'm puzzled. I don't know what that can be. My filter not wet. I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about that right now. We're gonna wash the truck up, get it clean, throw the phone on charge. I'm gonna throw the camera on charge for a minute. Thought I had charged it up. Go ahead, knock it out. Keep it locked, man. 78Chevyboi. See how much better I got though. I got 40%. Should be good for a minute. Keep it locked. Yeah, man. Finally got the whole watch now. I did the wheels first. And then just did the body. So now dry it off. Use my blower. Blow the grill and the wheels and stuff off. And then dry it off, man. We're gonna dry it off. We're gonna do the side with the most sun first, which is the opposite side. Then we'll come to this side. I'm gonna use my blower though right quick. Hold tight. Gizmo heard this. Excuse me. 78Chevyboi. Finally got done with the red girl, man. Finally got done with the red girl. And boy, she's sexy. Good. Man, I done dropped this camera that I'm holding. I dropped that junk on the tripod. Wind blowing out here, man. But look like everything cool. Man, then my phone. Check my phone out, man. Look. I had it on the other tripod. Look like 3 gunshots. Look like 3 gunshots right there, man. So now I gotta go in here. I keep these on deck though. I chipped my case right there. I keep these on deck because all of us got 15 Pros. 15 Max Pro. What is it? iPhone 15 Pro Max. All of us got them, so I keep them on standby. But yeah, man, one bad OBS, man. One bad OBS. Ooh, Lord. I got it clean too, dog. We vacked it out and everything, man. We vacked it out. Car show season is upon us, man. We got to stay at the ready, man. We got to stay at the ready. One bad OBS, man. I ain't got it on my tag for nothing. Man. Yes, sir. I ain't got it on that tag for nothing. You better believe it. So, man, Chevyboi, I'm finna pull a pin out now, man. Boss lady finna leave me. Go to a little function. I need something to keep me occupied. Ty said he just rode through by Happy Mexico because he had to pass through there to go over his partner house. He said that mother said so many people up there. Yeah. Y'all see it, man. Why you ain't on our patio? You finna leave me? We could be on the patio. You finna leave me though.
For an hour.
Y'all see?
For an hour.
I don't know what I'm gonna do for that hour.
An hour. Not even 4 hours, maybe an hour and a half.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Go crazy. Yes, I am. I always miss my wife, especially when you go out of town. Especially when you go out of town, I don't know about that. Go crazy. I'll be about to come where you at. Get me a hotel room. You better not get your butt in my truck. He'll do it. Look at him. He look like he'll jump in there. They be out here sunbathing, man. If any of y'all got dogs, do y'all dogs like to sunbathe? These guys here, man, he always have done it. He like to do it too, but he's so busy. He don't sit still. Yeah, he don't sit still. Gizmo lay out here, man, I'm talking about 30 minutes at a time. My wife let him out the door sometime and he'll lay right at the back door and just sunbathe. She'll send me pictures. Yeah, man. Got big Cayenne ready. Big Cayenne ready, man. So we're gonna put Cayenne in the garage, put the the truck cover over it. And I'm finna watch Penny, man. But I'm gonna bag up. Nah, I ain't finna do all that. You gonna let me, gotta do my shift, boss lady. I just gotta do my shift. I gotta put Cayenne up. Then I gotta move everything by Penny over by Cayenne. Then bag Penny out, then you can sit right there where Penny at and watch TV then. It's on you now. They can't see you way back here. They just see a little. Yeah. You chilling, you at the house.
I don't want people to see me.
They can't really see you unless they zoom. Now they might zoom in now. Now if they zoom in. Yeah, man. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and prepare myself to watch Penny. We'll be back. All right.
My seven, I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven.